My name is Jeff Weedo. I'm Senior Product Manager for our scissor lifts of Genie. Today I'm going to present two products from our 32-foot family. The first unit here is a 3246, 32-foot tall, 46 inches wide. Wanted to start in the platform today with this product. This is the largest scissor in our Genie slab family. Started producing this product in 1998. And we build and construct all our scissor lifts and cater toward the contractor on the job site. The reason I wanted to start on the platform today is because this is where most of the time is spent on the job site, up on the platform, and really talk about some of the key benefits that we have on this machine and how we cater toward the end user with this product. So the first piece is, again, we talked about the dimensions here. It's 39 total square feet of workspace with the extension deck fully extended. It's a foot pedal switch that pushes out very easily. It actually has 3 positive stops, but as you can see, no hand operation here. Just a simple push to the foot, and the sliding deck goes out. Rolls on 2 6-inch rollers. There is one disadvantage of this extension deck that I want to talk about, and typically people don't talk about disadvantages. But the reason for this is it actually is an advantage to the user. Because our extension deck is inside the deck, we lose 3 total inches of workspace. Now, 3 total inches of workspace to the user isn't all that much, but the key benefit of that is that if there's any damage to the railing whatsoever, the extension deck is not affected by any type of rail damage. Obviously there's quite a bit of workload and different applications that take place, and rails often get damaged. That is a key advantage that we have with this extension deck system that we certainly want to make sure that we're talking to the contractors about when we're out on the job sites. It is an all-steel construction deck with anti-slip treads inside the deck. To pull the deck back in, you simply just push your foot on the foot pedal and bring it back in with ease. The next piece I'd like to talk about is our proportional controls up top here. Similar proportional controls across the entire slab scissor family. Hall effect joystick, a proportional up and down, fully weatherproof as well, and just a nice overall operating system for the user. It does have a long coil cord, which can stretch out to roughly 6 feet, so you can operate this machine from the ground level as well, which I can demonstrate here in a few minutes. We also do have folding rails on this, so you can fold down the rails here. To get in through tighter access. It's simply a pin system that you pull out, and the rails will fold down. That is standard on this scissor lift. Okay. Spring hinged full height gate. We also do have a half height gate option as well with this unit. Now coming down to the base of the machine. I want to talk about some of the key aspects from a serviceability standpoint. First thing is with the battery tray, completely comes out. The 4 6-volt, 225 amp hour batteries for a 24-volt system. The charger is extremely accessible as well. Now, one key feature that we just recently changed is where the charger plugs in. And we actually just recently moved that to the rear of the machine. For better access, from a end user standpoint, they don't have a cord to worry about getting in the way or getting damaged on the job site. It's a recessed rear charger plug, and we've had very good acceptance of that here recently. Hinge door. Yes, you can stand on it. I'm not going to demonstrate that because we don't encourage customers to stand on the doors. But trust me, you can do it. Just additional access as well. To underneath the machine. Solid non-marking tires, 0 degree inside turn radius, which is standard on all our slab scissors, and the entire slab scissor family has 0-degree inside turning radius. I want to turn the machine around and show you some of the other features on the other side here, which I will do. Okay, to continue the walk around, we want to come to the control side of the machine. As you can see here, the controls are recessed for added protection on the job site. Your e-stop, your chassis control as well down here. Simply flip the switch to platform control. So back to chassis. Your hour meter right here, very visible to the user from the outside. The one piece here on the chassis that you can see is the LED diagnostics readout. This simply shows any type of fault codes. We do have onboard diagnostics for any type of issue the machine may have. Any type of code here that reads out, you can simply go to the code and understand what's happening. Code 68, for example, shows that you need to replace your batteries. So very simple diagnostics, very easy to understand what may be happening in the machine. We also have the same diagnostic readout on the upper platform control as well. So if you're on the platform trying to understand what's happening, you can simply read it either at the chassis or on the platform. Full fold-out doors here to gain access to your motor controller, along with your hydraulics and your fluids. So real easy access there to for the daily checks and inspections. The next piece I'm going to raise the links here and talk about. We do have a maintenance-free link stack with lifetime Teflon impregnated bushings. Nitride process pins as well. Again, maintenance-free. We do E-code our link stacks for added durability. So they're E-coded from the inside and the outside as well, just longevity on the job site. Our E-down is right here for emergency lowering. So in the event, it's not when it happens, it's if it happens. In the event that there is an emergency, simply pull this red lever here, and it releases the pressure in the cylinder and brings the unit down. What questions can I answer? Yep.
I've never noticed this before. You have two different length cylinders.
Mm-hmm.
Is that, I mean, can you, any explanation as to the geometry behind that, or if there's some?
The two extra cylinders.
No, the different length of the cylinder.
The length
I've never
of the
noticed
cylinders.
that before. Is there some? Right. Okay.
The pothole guards are fully mechanical. As the platform raises, the pothole guards come down mechanically. Has a pusher pin down here that enables that. The large ladder here in the back is the tie-down point as well, and the crane point. It is detachable and replaceable in the event of damage on the job site. Yes, we do have creep mode on the charger that enables the battery or the lift to drive to an outlet to charge, so it does default into creep mode, and it will not hurt the batteries.
Will it only allow drive?
Yes.
Is there any kind of audio or visual warning to the operator that that's what's happened?
We do have battery output on the or battery level status on the joystick in the platform, and you will have a warning that will come up as well as part of the diagnostics.
The list price on this unit is
$33,040. $040.
Any specific options that you think of that we should know about?
Yes, as far as how you see it today, the flashing beacons, the gate and the alarm are all options as well today. That how we brought it, so that those are add-on features. Those are most of the standard options that come on the machine.
Can you get an inverter on your machine?
You can't get an inverter on this machine. It's an 800-watt inverter. That is an option. EE rating. You can get EE rating. Yes.
Pipe cradles. Okay.
Pipe cradles are actually aftermarket. You can get them an aftermarket accessory. This is the brake release in the back. So it's a hydraulically released rear brakes. So you push the red button in and pump the black button here, and it'll release the brakes in the event of having to move the machine. Any other questions?